thing, you see it? Watch this. Great material, fit the right, everything. See me?
We have a good old grabber.
Youth man, how do you man?
Gaza, you say?
If up with the old grabber from 2001, I Fire Vybz Grabba, everybody now. Youth man, how do you man? Lisa.
Yeah, man, blessed love. Welcome to Labushagne TV, the man of peace, Zine. And coming up in this vlog, we have 7-year-old youth found with submachine gun at school, one part of St. Elizabeth.
Fire Vybz Grabba and me brain cells, best friends, stimulate all of them to the blood clot and strong like graphene, what a mental ear, tapping me neurons with a sparkling.
And farmer Reggae Boy arrested and charged for punching up his wife.
Me brain booster, what a cognitive sense, making me thoughts sizzle like a mental sense. Fire vibes you forget when you under stress, it will give you pleasure just like sex.
I'm going to run through a song where you see a chip in and out by Labushagne Bellafonte, artist from one part of Clarendon. Grabba vibes. See a song about Grabba? Bad. I don't know. As usual, me always ask them to go and check out the song. Nah, stop try. And man of peace, so don't go away now. Yeah man, Lionfoot. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, man, one day we must get the help. My man, the real Don't stop trying. Rough like Mary. Get us line. Don't stop trying. Ch&rg satisfied.
Yes, welcome back. Big up yourself, CD Banging. I know Non-Stop Try has been endorsed by CD Banging. Big up all of the DJs and the selector them. Send the song in an email. So, let me see if I'm going to get iron strength. Real song, if I get real play. See it? Yeah, man. So, we could kick off the vlog. You know, this vlog is sponsored by Labushagne Bellafonte, the artist from St. Catherine, the Clarendon. You see me? Yeah, so a 7-year-old has been held with a submachine gun at a school in St. Elizabeth. You see me? And there's not much information in it, but from the Jamaica Observer, the St. Elizabeth police have reported that a submachine gun was seized at a school in the parish on Thursday. So, 7-year-old, you know, this is very alarming, shocking, and you know what I mean, saddened. Where him get that gun from? 7-year-old? Did he took it from somewhere and brought it to school? You know, did he found it, or was it in his house? A submachine gun. Well, it looked like a whole gun still, but maybe with a fire, or you don't know. Or just a walk and buck it up or something. I don't know, but it's sad. 7-year-old, you know, 7-year-old. It's coming like America, where you see a 7-year-old that shoot up school and them things, family and people. And I mean, very sad. But let me know what y'all think about that, my viewers and subscribers. The parents them, I forgot to give account and answer. And answer the 7-year-old, I forgot to tell where he found it, where he got it from, how did he come to his possession. But it's not a good look. You see what I say? Not a good look.
New thing, you see it? Watch this. Great material, fit the right, everything. See me?
We have a good old grabber.
Youth man, how do you man?
Gaza, you say?
If up with the old grabber from 2001.
Former reggae boy Jorginho James allegedly assaults wife. Video shows man viciously punching woman. James was arrested following the latest incident on August 31st and charged with violation of protective order or banned conditions, as well as the assault. So, Jorginho James, former reggae boy, punch up his wife. It's up on camera, you know, and it's very disturbing. You know, I was showing him, I was blow some parts still, but you know what's sad about it? His little child was there, the daughter. You know what I mean? And him have anger issues, you can see. And it's an ongoing thing, it's not the first. As what the article say. Again, in beat again and again and again. Zine, and there was a restriction order against him. Zine from protective order and then breaching ban in bail ban and them things. You see me? So watch the video and see what I got. Looking at the visuals, you can see him have the good daughter in his hand and the lady on her phone. She walk away from him, out of his reach. Zine. So some argument are going. I don't know. Well, him have restriction and protective order against him and ban. See him go to the door, see him come back. The little child in his hand, the lady and walk out and reach again. She walk away from him, watch it. Him attack her. Punch, punch, punch. Look at those excessive punch, force from his hand. Look how big and strong he looks. See me and say? And thing you see me, channel star, my viewers and subscribers. Sad. So he has been arrested and charged again for breaches, you know what I mean? Breaching ban and breaching there was protection or protective order against him, so he breached all of them things there. And he's been charged, and it's not the first. See him? He's a violent man. I know we say stop the violence against men, women, boys and girls, little child and animals. You see me? So for him, I have no sympathy. Yeah man, and the first thing I do is to put him on the woman, then to lock him up and give him a long time behind bars. Yeah, and make him get rehabilitation as well, counseling, you know. But him not to escape the hands of the law, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. You see it, my viewers and subscribers. And you know what's hurtful about it? Look when he walks away. The little child, his little daughter, get up and runs after behind him. You can tell, you know, she love her daddy. And he's doing such thing in front of her, his little child, his little daughter. You know, someone to learn to control them temper, man, and walk away, man. Be the bigger person, you see me? But it's so sad, man, so sad. Moving on, now, people, we're gonna run through the song now by Labushagne Bellafonte. Yeah, man, the artist from Clarendon, the bad lyrical artist, you know? Yeah, man, talented. I was song named Fire Vybz Grabba. Yeah, so me and say, I'll call this Vybz Cartel. You see, so go run through it and you don't know, big up on yourself. See? Yeah, man.
Fire Vybz Grabba and me brain cells, best friends, stimulate all of them to the blood clot end. Strong like graphene, what a mental ease, tapping me neurons with a sparkling pace.
Yo, Labushagne, if you go link up Cartel, you know, make him get a deal, you know. You don't know what you're doing, you know, the song you're bad already, you know. I know why you're nothing more the song you're bad. Man, I tell you, the Grabba strong like graphene, what a taste, and you know what I mean? No, Labushagne, link up Cartel.
Me brain booster, what a cognitive sense, making me thoughts is like a mental fest. Fire vibes you forget when you're under stress, it will give you pleasure just like sex.
Hey, yo, the artist a chat some things, you know, man. That man say fire vibes you forget when you're under stress. It will give you pleasure just like sex.
What it a me brain booster, what a cognitive blast, making me thoughts feel like a mental feast. At last, fire vibes are the best panimar. Can't go and go ask world boss. What it ignite ideas like creative, a grab and spark any brain with a zing zooms up. Stop with a zing zooms up.
But now like that song you flow like the Vybz Cartel songs when they do for the Vybz Grabba advertisement there. Yeah. But rhythm everything up. Yeah man, Labushagne, link up Cartel, but now like
it ignite ideas like creative, a grab and spark any brain with a zing zooms up. Stop with a zing zooms up. Stop with a zing zooms up.
Zap with a zing zooms up. Well, I don't know where I'm the artist as I said this, you know, cause I'm in a smoke, I'm in a bun Grabba, but not tell a lie, Grabba make a chat sound sitting there.
Fire Vybz Grabba, oh what a blast. Make the vegan a feed bus chicken, dance hot like lava flow. One thing me know, Fire Vybz Grabba is a vibes volcano.
Yo, the artist no easy, you know. The man's a Fire Vybz Grabba, who what a blast. Make vegan a feed cut chicken parts. And you hear the metaphors and the similes of the artist I use. You see me hot like lava flow. One thing him know. Fire Vybz Grabba, a vibes volcano. Europe the place, you know. Europe your brain and your stomach, you know. Make sure you eat when you burn the Grabba.
Me vibes fix something keep me soul a glow with a pump pop. It keep me afloat. What a fire frenzy burning bright and bold. Make me feel great like a treasure to be old.
Alright my people, I'm not gonna no more than the song. I'm gonna leave the rest. We're gonna go and check it out and give the artist the support. Fire Vybz Grabba. Zine by Labushagne Bellafonte, up and coming artist, very talented, writing more a song them, and I mean I'm gonna try to get a break in the business. So I don't know. This vlog is sponsored by Labushagne Bellafonte. Big up the whole Spanish town, Clarendon, St. Catherine, you know, the man of peace. I say stop the crime, take the violence off the street, and stop the violence against men, women, boys, girls, and kids, the child. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Blessed love, a great weekend.